In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're in the login portal. So if you want to remove the accounts, it is actually very simple. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on this option, remove profiles from this device. Now you'll be able to select the profile that you want to remove. Find the profile that you want to remove and tap on the remove button right next to it. After that, tap on the option remove again. Keep in mind, if you remove the account, next time you log in, you'll have to use the password. Now after that, you can see over here that particular account has been removed. So like this, you'll be able to remove multiple accounts. So that is how you remove multiple accounts on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.